Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝘠𝘪𝘴. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. I'm really grateful for your support and for watching my video today. Do make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss when I post. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the translucent setting powder from Hourglass. I've heard so many good things about the Hourglass product. By the time I post this video, I should have also done the concealer review, but I'm going to do that more for the shorts. So if you are interested in seeing my reaction and how that looks like, make sure to tune into that. I'll link it somewhere at the end of this video. But today I'm focusing on the translucent powder, and as always guys, I go into the claims and the information about the product, and then I'm going to test it out and show you what it looks like on my face. So this is a first impression. Haven't tried Hourglass setting powder before, so this is the first time, and I'm super excited because I've heard so many good things about this powder. So yeah, let's get into today. So guys, let's get straight into the information about this powder. So it's called the Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and it is basically an ultra refined talc-free loose powder that is designed to give your skin a naturally flawless finish. The product claims that it's cruelty-free, long-wearing, loose powder formula, which is easy to apply, and it's got a natural finish. It's also made without parabens, and it is a vegan-friendly setting powder. It's also suitable for people with normal, dry combination and oily skin. And also a little bit of more information that you guys might want to know about the powder is that it is a finely milled, weightless powder. It's formulated with a soft focus, light reflecting particles to instantly blur imperfections and minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, wrinkles for an effortlessly smooth skin. So really excited. I really like the claims because I'm all about a nice weightless powder, and one that isn't too creasing, because the one thing I find about the Laura Mercier is that it can be a little bit creasing, the original one. So it'll be good to definitely test this out and see whether it actually lives up to what it says. So I'm gonna go straight into using the product and showing you guys what that looks like. So guys, this is what my makeup looks like after using the setting powder. I love the smooth finish that it has. I also like that it doesn't look cakey and it's not drying. Some powders, when I use them, I just feel like I have to moisturize quite a bit before even applying concealers and the powder, because otherwise it just looks cakey. I like that this doesn't look cakey. It's just given me a nice brightened under eye, especially because before this I was definitely looking very tired, and I just love that this has given me a youthful glow, and it just complements my complexion really nicely. The shade that I picked out is the translucent. I always do, because I just think that translucent shades are just more versatile in terms of, you know, applying makeup. And I'm going to say this is a 10 out of 10. If you guys want me to try more products or more powders, definitely let me know and I will try and do a video for you guys. But thank you so much for joining. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, I will list everything in terms of the product, how much it is, where to buy it from, in the description box below. So do make sure you check that out, because that's where I always leave all the information. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for joining. Bye.